Let's review some distributive property. Distributive property, an example would be if I have a value on the outside and I have one or more values on the inside. So maybe we have 2x plus 3. And then what we're doing is we're taking this value on the outside, 3, and it's getting multiplied by every term on the inside. So the 3 gets multiplied by the first term, 2x, and the 3 also has to get multiplied by the second term, the 3. So we do 1 at a time. 3 times 2x will be 6x, because 3 times 2 is 6, and it still has an x attached to it. And then 3 times 3 is 9. It's a positive 9, so I'm going to connect with the plus sign for positive 9. We can look at another example that might have a negative involved in it. Maybe negative 4 on the outside, and then we can do 3x plus 5. So in this case, I'm taking negative 4 times 3x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And then again, it's got that x, so don't forget to bring down that x. X stays attached to it. And then negative 4 times a positive 5 is a negative 20. So I'm going to write negative 20. So minus 20 is the same thing as a negative 20. And I can write this like this, or I can also do negative 12x plus negative 20. That would be the equivalent expression as well. And this works the same way with however many things I write on the outside. So let's look at one like we have maybe negative 5 on the outside. And let's have x plus 3y plus 2. We're still going to take the negative 5 and multiply by everything. Negative 5 times the x. And when I do that, if there's no coefficient, that means it's just a 1, and we just don't tend to write the 1. So negative 5 times x is really negative 5 times 1x, which is negative 5x. And then negative 5 times 3y. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. And then this one has that y attached to it. And then negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. And again, like I did before, I could actually change this to adding the opposite and make this all plus negative 15 plus negative 10 would be an equivalent problem as well. So when you're doing this, don't forget to check your signs. If the answer would be a positive, you make a plus sign. If the answer would be a negative, you can do a minus sign, or you can do plus a negative.